Welcome to Justiça Law Tutorials. In today's video, we are discussing about how to read a legal citation. Many of you do jumble while reading a legal citation as being a new law student. So let's start. Legal citation is composed of 5 contents, that is, name of the parties involved in the case. Secondly, the abbreviated form of the title or the reporter. One example, that is All India Reporter, its most famous example. Then thirdly, the year of the judgment, then the court, and lastly, the page number. So this is the proper format of a legal citation. Little variation might made, but the full forms of the abbreviations and the reporter are same. So let's start. It is not mandatory to recite entire citation for examination. You can simply write down the name of the parties involved in the case. Example number 1, that is Kesav Nanda Bharti versus State of Kerala, All India Reporter, 1973, Supreme Court, page number 1461. Example number 2, Indra Shahne and others versus Union of India, 1999, Supplement Volume number 3, Supreme Court Cases, page number 217. Legal citation is a source through we can find out any case law for the reference. Citation are standard records made by High Court and the Supreme Court after passing a judgment. These citations are saved in hard and soft copies. The question may arise in your mind that how journals are publishing the cases and the citation. Law journals used to publish these cases, judgments every month. They publish around 10 to 12 volumes in each year, depending on the capacity of the journal. There are total 142 law journals included in the list of periodicals of the Supreme Court till now. Here I'll be sharing some of the example of the journal abbreviations. Look upon journal abbreviations and the journal names. All India Reporter, All India Reporter Supreme Court, All India High Court Cases, All India Tribunal Cases, All India Civil Law Judgments, All India Land Law Reporter, All India Hindu Law Reporter, All India Criminal Decisions, Accidents Claim Journal, Allahabad Criminal Cases, Bihar Criminal Cases, Bombay Criminal Cases, Chandigarh Criminal Cases, Eastern Criminal Cases, Arbitration Law Reporter, Banking Important and Selective Judgment, Banking Cases, Banking Commercial Law Reporter, Company Law Journal, Consumer Law Today, Company Cases, Report of the Company Cases, Corporate Law Advisor, and many more. These are some of the legal abbreviations of the reporter. I hope you liked the video. Give a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.